Welcome guys, it's Trendy Styles forever. Keep watching. Hi there beautiful people, thank you so very much for subscribing to this channel, and also, of course, if this is your first time coming on this channel, do well to subscribe before you click off. And you know what this channel is all about. It's all about hairstyles, natural braids, kids hair, women hairstyles, you see men hairstyle, just about anything hairstyle. That is what you expect to see on this channel. Yes, and I hope we've been turning up for you as you expected. So right now you're watching latest and trendy natural hairstyles with DIY touches for black women. DIY meaning do it yourself. They actually styles that you can actually do on your own if you actually have the patience to do it. But if you don't, no problem, you can always take a picture, especially from our blog, and take it over to your hairstylist to replicate as well. I do really hope that the outcome of any hairstyle you choose from our ideas that we try to shift to you will always turn out beautiful and lovely for you. These are lovely hairstyles. Natural hairstyles are actually very beautiful, yes, especially because it's untouched. And untouched and it's your hair, you don't have to feel bad about your natural hair. As a beautiful black woman that I know you are, your natural hair, it's like it complements you. Yes, it's part of you. It's what you're blessed with. You have to love who you are. Yes, before you expect others to love you for who you are. A lot of women out there are kind of like ashamed of wearing their natural hair look, which is not right. You don't even know it. Someone out there is actually admiring you. So it depends on how you maintain your hair, how you wear your hair, and how you kind of like I don't know the term to use for it, but you have to be particular about your natural look. There's no two ways about it. I hope this video will encourage someone out there to wear that natural hair just as it is for you. You have been blessed with this lovely way of hair, and it's only nice for you to wear it out there so that it encourages other women, yes, other people out there to do the same. Okay, till next video, you keep it safe out there and remain blessed. Bye. watching.